Hey guys, it's JKY Wang 88 here, back with a video following up on my drop test video of the GA100 G-Shock. This video I've done roughly about 10 years ago, and I just want to make a quick follow-up video to show the watch that I still have actually, and yeah, and just want to quickly show what it's been look like now. Besides it not having any battery in it now, it has worked fine. It's wanted to be my workhorse watch for a while, and just could quickly show you just where the damage was on the clasp when I did drop it out that 7-story about 10 years ago. As you can see, I've been using other G-Shocks the past 10 years. I've loved them. They've been great watches for me. Have many colors that I've used, and these are a bit different from the GA100. But yeah, just a quick follow-up video. 2021. Happy New Year, and hopefully a great year ahead. Thank you.